Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add cash to your Revolut account. So adding cash to your Revolut account is actually pretty easy. You just need to follow the instructions that we'll be showing you. Now, the first thing that you have to do here is you'll have to have the latest version of the Revolut application. So make sure that you update your application via Google Play Store or via App Store. So once you've got the latest version, the next thing you want to do is you want to open up your Revolut application. Now, from the main menu of Revolut, the Revolut application, is you want to look for the Add Money button and you want to select that. So you'll be given the option to tap on Change. Just click on that and you need to select the cash deposit. So once you click on cash deposit, you'll see the option unlock locations near me. So once you click on unlock locations near me, it's going to show you the nearest retailer location that is the nearest in your current location. So from there, you just need to go to that participating location for Revolut and you just need to present your card and the amount that you wish to deposit. Now from there, you just need to finish up any details that they'll be asking and finish your transactions. So do remember that you keep your receipts to yourself. Do not throw them away immediately, because if anything happens in the transaction or if you have any problems with your transaction, then this receipt will be really helpful because you'll be able to provide information in case something went wrong, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.